Hi, I'm Felicia Mafia. I'm the manager of exhibit development here at Pacific Science Center. It's unique in a lot of different ways. Unique structurally because it's the first time we're really using the height in our buildings. This is going to be a two-story exhibit. We're actually building a mezzanine, which is going to be the longest part of our installation. It's a 2-month job to get all the infrastructure built before we can actually even start installing the interactives. So in that sense, it's very groundbreaking for this organization in terms of how we're using the space. Health exhibits are always perennially popular at children's museums, science centers, because it reflects ourselves. And and as you change, as you age, how your body acts is different. So you get new information every time you go to a health exhibit. Probably one of the first things you spot when you come towards the exhibit is the Loftapalooza, which is part of the Palladium, the fitness area of the exhibit. Loftapalooza is a giant net piece. It's got like 3 trumpets branching out, and the goal of this is to either pump with your butt or jump up and down on a stump or pump with your hands and pump up enough air pressure to launch a ball up into these giant nets that will be hanging from our ceiling. I'm so close to it that I really love the whole thing. This is an exhibit that's so very intricately intertwined with each other. But I think to me the most inspirational part is Wellbody Hall, and Wellbody Hall is kind of the heart of the school. It's about behavioral change, and I think it's what really sets this exhibit apart, is that we all really know what we're supposed to be doing. We know we're supposed to eat right, get enough exercise, get enough sleep, but it's integrating those habits into our daily lives that is really the challenge, and we all struggle with it. And as our lives change, you have to kind of retrain yourself to those habits. So this is the first exhibit that I know of that really addresses that, which is what are the steps to managing behavioral change, good goal setting, and how to kind of anticipate and troubleshoot around barriers. So it's a part of the exhibit that to me it threads into everything else. You need these skills of behavioral change in order to be successful with everything else. Wellness opens officially on December 1st.